All right, guys, Glenmurray Online. Let's get at this. Happy Tuesday to you. Hope you're having a good day, staying safe, all that good stuff. Today's episode is how to make money online with recurring passive income. Now, I'm going to go through a slide presentation for you guys that's really going to open up your mind, and you really need to take action. Yesterday, I talked about mindset. It was interesting while I was walking yesterday, because I do exactly whatever I tell you guys that I'm doing to do. This is what I'm doing, guys. This is what's generating the income in my business. So I'm not, there was some guy who was asking me if I wanted to buy YouTube subscribers, and I said no. Why do I want to buy YouTube subscribers? And he goes, well, it looks like you're doing really well. Can you I'll pay you 30% if you promote my stuff. I'm like, no, I'm not going to promote something I don't do. So anyways, if you're into to making money online and you need to start a home business, I need you to subscribe, hit the notification. Let's get into it. Let me pop over to my screen here, and let's just go right into it, guys. Okay, this is about making money online, recurring passive income. This is what we're going to talk about, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. We're just going to go through the slide deck, and you can kind of get a feeling for it. If there's any places that you really like, or you're watching this, just pause it, comment, or if you're like, Glenn, let's go, I'm ready to jump on this. Let's get into it, and this is it. We'll just jump right in. Okay, so number one, what are some of the challenges you face today, right? Like, what's going on? Well, with COVID, it's crazy. Like, there's almost 30% unemployment in the US. Like, it's crazy. In Canada, it's so tough. People are starting to come out, and they're talking about getting people back into business, and restaurants are going to like have a third of the capacity. They're talking about opening up restaurants on sidewalks, all this like crazy stuff. It's just like, so do you feel like you're just one breakthrough away from the solution to your problems? Maybe you've been doing some online marketing, you've tried this, you've tried that, and you're like, I just need that one thing to solve my problems. That one thing I can grab and sink my teeth into. And Bob, if you're watching this, I know you called me and you're so happy to join my team and get involved in this. And I could feel it, the passion in your voice talking about getting into this. So 85% of people don't feel happy or fulfilled at their jobs, guys. If you're one of these people, you need to pay attention. Stay till the very end, guys. Stay till the very end so you know exactly what action steps you need to take. And they dread waking up every day. Like, this is a recent Gallup poll. 85%, man. That's so sad. Like, think about it. 85% of the population doesn't like what they're doing. Like, it's just so sad. So over 500,000 entrepreneurs start their own business every month in hopes to change their current situation. 500,000 a month, right? And this is US stats, guys. So they're way bigger than that all over the world. According to Bloomberg, 8 out of 10 entrepreneurs who start businesses fail within their first 18 months. A whopping 80% crash and burn. So think about it. 85% of people are unhappy. 500,000 start each month, and 80% of them fail. And you know what? I don't call it failing. It's called falling forward. And this is what we're going to get into. So when we're not truly happy or living our purpose, our self-worth, our health, our confidence, our happiness, our finance, everything. When my wife and I were struggling, man, it put so much burden on us. It was just so sad. Like, some days we'd walk around the house, we weren't barely talking to each other. We've got kids, and our kids are trying to understand what's going on. It's just like there's so much, like, the finances. They say money can't buy happiness, but it's the financial burden that we have in society today is so hard on people, on emotions, on families, on relationships, that you need to find a solution where you can do what you truly love. You can be totally 100% present in your family's life and be achieving what you want to achieve, right? And we're going to make that happen for you. So here's the top 3 reasons that why businesses fail. So number 1, no need in the marketplace. People are like, I've got this gadget, but no one needs it, right? So you're like, they put all their money into it and it doesn't happen. Or something that, looks like it's leading towards going online or automated, and you're going into that business, right? And you're like, you don't want to be going there. Number 2, using outdated marketing strategies. So many people are like, yeah, I'm going to get all that money, I'm going to buy a billboard. You don't need a billboard, guys. Billboards, that's not billboards. You need online real estate, and we're going to show you exactly how to get that for, like, you're not even going to imagine how inexpensive it is to get that real estate presence that you need, that you have to have in order for your business to be successful. Number 3, terrible leadership. If you know, I see so many people fail in business because they don't know how to do a business. They don't have the training. They don't understand like what do they need to do to make their business happen. So we solve all of those problems, right? Number one, we offer product and services that people would purchase over and over again, even if there was no compensation plan. These are products that people need for their business every day. This isn't like some lotion and potion or anything like that. These are products that people need to use every single day, and they're purchasing regardless of a compensation plan or not. We're just going to capitalize on it by putting a compensation plan on it, but they don't need to. Okay. Number two, mastering the right skills while leveraging the best marketing tools in the world that work in today's day and age. So forget billboards. We want to talk about marketing the right skills. And what are the right skills? Content, guys. Internet real estate. Creating videos, doing webinars, doing what I'm doing right now. This is what people are looking for. People aren't driving around looking at billboards. They're at home. They're searching their smartphones. They're looking for information on how to, remember, get rid of those headaches, get rid of those pain points, right? So number three, bring quality leaders to the table, and that believe in that have the same beliefs, core values, and vision as one another. So we are a family that all believe like, yes, there's a better life. We're not the 80% that fail. We're not the 85% that hate our jobs. We're the 15% that love our jobs and the 20% that succeed in our business, right? So imagine how you will feel. Imagine, okay, just sit back and imagine you will feel when you have total control over every aspect of your life and business. Like last year when we were in Mexico, we were on the cabana. I should have put a picture of us, and my kids are on the swing, and my wife, we have this big cabana. We've got service coming to the beach. Oh, so awesome. And you know what? Business is making money while you're sitting there and doing that, making more money than you spend when you're on vacation than you spend on vacation. That's the goal. So what we have is Now Lifestyle, first of its kind, all-in-one hybrid marketing platform. So it's more leads, more sales, more money. This is what it is. And a lot of companies, guys, they outsource their stuff. They they white label. What's white label is called. They purchase another business's services, and then they resell it as their own, right? We don't do that here. We have our own product. Although as a business owner of Now Lifestyle, you can brand it with your name. You're not going to be a third reseller of it, right? So the mission is very simple. We equip by providing you with the right tools, training, and support. You will be fully prepared to generate more leads, sales, and money in your business. So we're going to give you everything, the full automated suite that you need. The education is second to none. I'm in the middle of doing the Now Academy, which I recommend you guys have to get it. It's a must-have. It'll be the best money you spend. Remember that wherever you are in North America, basically, if you take courses or buy online training, it's some sort of a tax write-off. Check with your tax accountant, but almost always it's a tax write-off. So it's something that you would put against your expenses. Like it's so great because every time I buy a training, I just boom, I send it in as a tax receipt, right? We empower by creating true leverage for you and your family, so you can feel confident knowing that your lifestyle, your freedom, and your income is secure, right? Like they empower. This is what we do here. We're a family. This is a company made by marketers for marketers. That the back of that man is Joel Thierson. He's been around for 25 years. He's not going anywhere. This is not some new fly-by-night company. He made sure that he put all the right pieces together before he launched this, right? So here's what you're going to get. So finally, we've housed each of our proven products all into one new hybrid marketing platform for you to grow any business. So you get a landing page builder. Every company needs a landing page builder. Why? This is where you're going to collect emails. You need an authority website builder. You need a website. This is your most valuable asset. It's your real estate. You know what? You get to be able to build your own website. You can build your friends and family's websites. You can build as many websites as you want. Maybe you have 5 companies. Maybe you're promoting 5 products and you need 5 businesses or websites done. Well, you just do it here, right? The other thing is HD video sharing. Now, a lot of people say, well, I can just put it on YouTube and share it from YouTube. No, because YouTube is going to go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom, an ad, right? And all of a sudden you're like, whoa, I have an ad there. And that's peeling people off. You want, when you have an important message to go out there on a page or something, you want to host your own video sharing so there's no distractions whatsoever. So people cannot hijack and put an ad on your stuff so that it's going to take your prospect away. Live conference room. This is shown like right now, guys. almost everything is being done by live conference rooms. My kids, my 5-year-old has got a Zoom and a Google Classroom. My 7-year-old has Google Classroom. My 3-year-old is on web chats with her preschool teachers. Like, everyone's live conference room. And guys, it's not going to go away. When people now have seen the power of it during this pandemic, people are going to be using it all the time because it's such a great, valuable tool. And marketers know this, right? Marketers already have known this, but the general public is starting to know this because you're talking to someone. It's like, you might be texting back and forth, and you're like, hey, let's just jump into my conference room so we can do a face to face. Boom, you're there, right? And when you have your own conference room branded, right? Maybe you're talking to someone, you want to close the deal. It's like, hey, I know we're on the phone here. Why don't we just get face to face? We don't. If you got like 15 minutes, and we can jump into my conference room and boom, face to face, we can have a conversation. That is so powerful for closing the deal, guys. That's going to show someone you are a mover and a shaker. This is going to show you that you have the technology and the power, right? Maybe you're trying to convince someone that they should join and get this package, right? This automation package for their whatever their business is, and you can show them the power by using it, right? Number 5, so important: email autoresponder. This is what does it. It's not like saying, hey, I'm out of the office, I'll send you a message next week. No, this is what sets a series of emails that drip on people. Campaigns. Walmart uses it, Best Buy uses it, Victoria's Secret uses it, everyone. They grab your email, all of a sudden you're going to start getting emails. Maybe you get one a day, one every 3 days, one every 5 days. Depends on what they're selling. I bought a PDF maker from a guy years ago, and I still get his emails. Once a week I get an email, updates, stuff like that. And he's always got great, valuable stuff, right? I always read his emails. So having that, and you know what he does is each time he writes a new email, it just goes on to that autoresponder at the end. So his email series gets longer and longer and longer. So when someone opts in at the beginning of that one, they've got messages for weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks, months on end. And the last thing is an affiliate reseller program. Remember what I said? Like, what if you could sell like a program that people need, right? They would buy it without a reseller, without a compensation plan. Well, we have the best reseller program because we pay 100% commission, 100%, guys. So these are the tools: the landing page builder talked about, the authority website builder, HT video sharing, the live conference room, the email autoresponder. Now here's where the what's the pedal meets the metal, or whatever it is. So what you're going to want to do is you want to get the middle one, because you're able to there's 0 setup fee, you get 100% commission payout. Right, you get to build 50 landing pages, which is unheard of. For this same price on another one, you only get 20 pages. You get to build with no website. This one you can have 10 complete domains, right? Now, and you can have so many subdomains, it doesn't matter. And then you can host up to 50 videos. If you got 50 videos hosting there, like these are really good videos, and if you need more, you just pay for a little bit more, right? It's a la carte, you can get a little bit more. A conference room that holds up to 500 seats, which is crazy. Like, if you go to GoToWebinar, it's going to cost you a lot more than $99 a month. And then 50,000 subscribers. If you were to pay a other autoresponder to host 50,000 subscribers, you're probably up in about the $500 or $600 a month range to have that many subscribers on another autoresponder. Instead, you get it all for $99. Plus, the reseller at that level, the platinum, if someone comes in, like I sold an enterprise, right? I sold an enterprise one. I get commissions on that. If I was only a gold member, I wouldn't get commissions on the enterprise. But since I sold an enterprise, I got commissions on the enterprise, 100% commissions, right? So how it breaks down, I'm going to really make it simple. But what you're going to do is you're going to click the link below. You're going to get registered, and then you're going to watch some of the live webinars, or you're going to, if you see the vision right now, you're going to like, yeah, Glenn, I'm all in. Or you're basically going to say, okay, I need to see a few more webinars. We do one 3 times a week. So you're able to do that. And this is what's great about the reseller program, is you can point people to that 3 times a week, right? So they can see what it is that you're showing them. So earn up to 100% commissions, $25 reseller license per month. The marketing material, you get all of that. You get this slideshow. If you guys want to go, if you like doing slideshows, you want to do webinars, you can take this slideshow. This is sitting in my back office. All I did is log into my back office. Boom, it's right there, right? So how's the commissions breakdown? 50% direct commissions on the sale, 25% match check. Now think about this. Say you just tell someone about this, right? Like, hey, and you tell some big promoter, and he goes out and does $10,000 in his first month, right? He just knows he has a gigantic list. He does $10,000. Guess what, guys? You make $2,500. Let's say he does that every month for 10 months, right? Guys, that's $100,000. You just made $25,000 extra doing just by referring it, right? And that's not one time. That goes on and on and on. As long as that guy is building that business, you're going to get check matches. And that's just one person. Think about if you get 5 of those, 10 of those, 15, 20 of those people. Think about the lifestyle change that you would have just from that simple check match by referring to someone. That's why you're going to want to tell so many people about it. And then the third one, this is unheard of in affiliate marketing. There's actually a binary system in the back office of this that actually pays you from volume from all the people, and that's the other 25% in your team. So you actually make a binary pay, and this is really clever. When I first was introduced to this company, I had just their autoresponder, and I was making money from their binary pay every month. And I was like, where's this money coming from? This is so cool. And then I heard about they were going to launch this out as a full program, and I was like, yeah, I'm all in. And including the academy, guys. The academy is so worthwhile. It's paid. You get paid every single week, right? Not once a month, right? It's every single week. And then the binary is paid once a month. So you get paid every week. Boom, 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 and then once a month you're going to get that binary, right? So remember, you just choose your package, right? Pay monthly or yearly, whatever you want. You want to be coming at that platinum level. This is the one you want to do. You create an account. You're going to be asked if you want to become a reseller. You're going to say, hell yeah, absolutely, because I want to earn my 100% commissions. You only need to refer 2 people, and it pays for whatever program you have, right? So when is now a good time for you to pay off your debt and save for retirement? When is now a good time for you to pay off your debt and save for retirement, right? When is now a good time for you to have a major breakthrough in your business? When is now a good time to have a major breakthrough in your business? And when is now a good time for you to live the lifestyle of your dreams? Imagine, guys, going on vacation and earning more money than you're spending on that vacation. When is now a good time for you to live the lifestyle of your dreams? Now is your time. So I want you to click the link below. I'm so happy and grateful now that I am living in an abundance of great health, increasing wealth, and thriving relationships. This is where you want to be. Look at how happy they look. Look at the pure joy in their faces. They are happy, and that's where you will be. You can get there. It's easy. So you know what? Welcome to the family. What will you create, guys? This is it. This is your time. Okay. So jump back on here. So that's it, guys. Are you smoking exciting? I know. Exactly. That's it. That's exactly how I feel. So what you want to do, click the link below and get started. I need you to message me because I need to get you into our Facebook groups and all the important stuff that you need to have in order to really rock this business. And remember, success loves speed. So you don't want to be like, you just need to throw yourself at it and go, yes, this is it. I'm going for it, and go crazy on this. Okay, guys, that's what I have for you today. I'm so excited for you. You are about to embark on the most amazing journey of your life so far, and I'm so happy that I can help you along with it. And I just get so passionate about it. It's like, you know what? You can either decide to start living or decide to start dying. And I think when you join our family, it means that you've decided to start living your life to the fullest. All right, guys. Bye.